Okay. Good? Okay, cool. I think we're ready to start up now. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here with the homie Kuma. Say hi, Kuma. Dude, you never say hi to the Ohana. Come on, man. They want to see you. They always ask for you, man. Okay, it's early in the morning, so maybe he's just not into it yet. Anyway, we have another sneaker mystery box for you guys today. This one's gonna be a huge one. It's actually $1,240, so pretty expensive, man, over $1,000 bucks. But before we open up the box, I wanna let you guys know that we actually finished the Dream Shoe giveaway. I've been getting a lot of like DMs and emails and stuff from people asking, okay, did you draw the winner yet and stuff? And I told you guys in all the previous videos that the winner would be announced on the community tab of the YouTube channel, which it is. If you guys go to the community tab of this channel, you guys can see who the winner was. Thank you guys so much for entering. It was a huge turnout. I think there was like 9,000 entries or something. So really, really dope that everybody wanted to try to enter in that one. Anyway, Kuma, I think we're ready to open up the box. You ready, man? You don't want to be up here. Okay, you want to go down? Bye. Okay, bye, Kuma. Okay, so I think we can open up the box now, guys. This one, like I said, is $1,240. Let's see what we got. Okay, a lot of shoes without boxes in here actually. This looks like it's a pair of Jordan 1 Court Purples, and the size on this one is a size 11, but it doesn't have a box unfortunately, and it is slightly used. If you guys want to check it out over here, Jordan 1 Court Purple, actually a really underrated Jordan 1. Leather quality on this one has always been very, very good. It does look like there's some slight toe box creasing over here, and bottoms obviously have a little bit of dirt going on underneath, but overall, nothing too crazy. Size 11. This one should fetch some good value, couple $100 bucks. These keep going up all the time too, so if you guys don't have a pair now, highly recommend you guys pick this up. Also, this will be on untitledhawaii.com if you guys want to cop any of the shoes in this box. So that's shoe number one. Shoe number two, I used to know what these things were called, but I can't remember what they're actually like named anymore. I know they're an NMD, the NMD X1 or something like that. I don't know, man. It's been a long time. NMD craze has died down a lot, but this one does look like it's a smaller shoe. This one is a US size 6, so I'm guessing, I don't know if this was a men's or a women's shoe. This is kind of small for a size 6. I don't know. I'll research it and it'll be on the website so you guys will know exactly what it is. Anyway, this one does look like it is pretty dirty, man. The boost has a lot of brown on here and the bottoms are dirty for sure, but I mean the caging and stuff is still good, and it doesn't look like there's any tears on the fabric up here. I know that the boost market is kind of dead now, so I'm not sure how these would sell. I'm guessing that they're not even worth maybe $100 bucks now. Okay, and I recognize this one because this was a shoe I was hyping up quite a bit before, man. This is a pair of the New Yorks. Yes, the What the New Yorks. This one's a size 10.5, so no box, size 10.5. Air Force One low, What the New York. It's actually a play off of different like New York sports teams, so that would be like Jets, Yankees, Mets, all of that kind of stuff. Basketball, football, whatever it is, man. They have all of the sports teams on here, which I think is really cool. But yeah, this one does look like it's worn. You guys can see toe box creasing over here. I was actually hyping up this shoe quite a bit recently. Like I actually made a whole video about it because I thought these were gonna blow up in value. And I still stand by that I think they will blow up in value because it's such a unique and like really, really nice shoe. But it hasn't really been raising like over the past couple months since I made that video. I think now these are going for about mid 200s or something, dead stock. So this one's probably less than 200, but I still stand by the fact that I think these will go up over time because they definitely look sick and it's on a classic sneaker silhouette. So if I had to bet, that's where I put my money. All right, the last shoe without a box in here, I have no idea what this is, man. I saw this and I was like cracking up because it looks weird. This one right here, it says New Balance 801 on the tongue. New Balance is not a hype shoe, so it really doesn't have any resale. And I'm assuming this one is no different. It looks so clunky and like just, I don't know, it looks weird, man. Size 11 it looks like, and it does look like it's brand new. This one has this lace bag attached still, that's why. However, man, again, I don't think it's worth anything though. Like check this thing out. Definitely like a chunky looking shoe. It might be like, oh yeah, you guys can see on the back, all terrain. So I'm guessing it's like a hiking kind of shoe. But it does look like it's just clunky and the colorway is plain, and I don't really know, man. It doesn't look that good. Not hating on the New Balance, man. If you guys like New Balance, that's dope. It's just in terms of like sneaker resale and stuff, it's not one of the hype shoes like Nike or Adidas and stuff. So it's lower tier, but still, maybe it's a good shoe, maybe it's a good hiking shoe, who knows. Anyway, this will definitely be for sale because I don't want these. Okay, now we can move into the shoes with boxes. We got a couple in here. This one looks like it's a Yeezy box, Yeezy 350 size 4. We have a pair of the blue tints. Okay. And this one does look like it's worn, but not too bad at all. Yeezy 350 blue tint. Honestly, like one of the better neutral colorways in my opinion for a Yeezy. I think it goes really well for like a winter kind of vibe. This one is definitely worn. You guys see the bottoms over there. But the boost over here doesn't look too bad. I mean, if it's not like orange or yellowed up, you know, and it looks like it's cracking and falling apart, then for the most part, it's pretty good. Another Adidas box over here, actually, man. And this is a small box as well. This one is a size 4.5. This one, ooh, nice, man. I used to like these a lot. This is a pair of the Human Race Oreos, dude. It does say Cloud over the top of the shoe. This is the Pharrell Human Race, that's why. So Pharrell shoes, he has all kinds of wording over the top every time. The upper is made out of prime knit and obviously has that boost material. However, I think that these soles are called like terrain soles, so it's like made for more traction and stuff. And you could actually hike in these, I think, better than like an NMD or something like that. So yeah, this should fetch pretty good value, man. And honestly, I just keep looking at it and I think I want to pick up a pair. So I might have to go look on GOAT or something for a pair in my size. And keeping in theme with a bunch of Adidas stuff, we have an Adidas Reigning Champ box over here. This one is in a size 10. This is a really nice shoe too, man. It looks really close to those Human Race Oreos. But this one right here is the Ultra Boost Reigning Champ 1.0, I believe. That upper literally looks like that last shoe that we just saw. But instead of that like terrain bottom, it does have that typical Ultra Boost bottom. Ultra Boost still are one of the most comfortable shoes in the market, so I think this one will still fetch decent value. I'm not sure. I mean, it is a collab shoe and it does look really nice. Like, check that thing out, dude. It's clean. All right, 2 shoes left in here. This is a box I have not seen before. It does look like it's a Nike box though. And this one is a size 9.5 Zoom X Vaporfly Next Percent. Ooh, Next Percent, okay. This is a really nice colorway. It has like an offsetting color too. So one is like blue and the other one is orange. I kind of like that, man. I'm not sure what the colorway is called, but you guys can see it's made out of like really lightweight material. You can actually see through the material over here as well. And this is like a really, really huge cushion for your foot, which is why it's made for running, because you guys want a lot of padding and traction when you're running. So this looks pretty dope. But what's really interesting and like the story behind this shoe, from what I've heard at least, is that the Next Percents were actually banned, I think, in the Olympics, or like banned in like marathons and competitions that involve long distance running. What they called it was like technology doping, which is, I didn't really study it like in depth, but from what it sounds like, it's because these things are expensive. I think the retail is like 200 something bucks, and they're really, really good for like marathon running. Apparently the technology and stuff in the sole is like so advanced that you can run for long distances and faster. Like as soon as people were putting on this shoe, everybody's times in the marathons were going down. Pretty dope design. I don't understand why it's like technology doping still. If you guys actually know the story, if you can comment down below, that'd be great, so I don't need to look it up. But I think these are cool, and they might actually go up in value if they're like getting banned and stuff, so we'll see. Last shoe in here is right here. This one is we already know what this one is, man. It's the newest Jordan 11 that just came out. Yep, a pair of the Jordan 11 Breads. And this one is dead stock. Wow, okay. We're in business, man. So this is the Jordan 11 that just came out last year. And this one is in dead stock condition, meaning it's brand new, unworn, and you get the best value because nobody's put their foot in it yet. One of the most classic Jordan 11 colorways of all time. And honestly, just one of the most iconic shoes of all time as well. You guys can see dead stock, brand new, no creasing at all over here on the toe box, and just a really sleek overall design. I think these have been rising in value like very slowly. They might be touching 300 bucks depending on the size and stuff now. So that's a good way to end the box, man. I was just gonna say, I think we had a box with only like worn sneakers, and then this came through. So we finished strong. We finished really strong, actually. So it does look like we did a lot better than what we did on the previous box. Again, I don't know the box's value until the end of the video because I have to calculate like the worn prices of these shoes and stuff, but it does feel like it's just a lot better than that last mystery box. If you guys didn't catch that video, highly recommend you watch it. It was a strange one. It wasn't like hype in terms of like crazy shoes, but it's interesting to see like different varieties of boxes. And the thing is like, because it's a mystery box, it changes every time, right? It's like opening a pack of Pokemon cards. You're not gonna get like the greatest card every single time. You have to go through a lot of different like boxes and stuff to get like something good. I'm guessing Kuma brought the luck though, even though he's not here anymore. Kuma, you wanna say bye? You wanna come up and say bye? Yeah, ooh. Kuma brought the luck like I was saying. Obviously, he's a very good boy, so he did his stuff, right, Kuma? You abandoned us though, man. The people wanna see you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and hit that like button if you guys like Kuma being on the show. I know he doesn't do much, but he's so dang cute. Yeah, Kuma? He's so boring. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. We will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot.